exactly. I'm a peaceful man. Don't hurt me.
What do you think you'd do if you were held at gunpoint? Is it possible that we got Big Fan on the phone? Let's go to the phones at 888-996-2946. Big Fan from Strong Island. What's up, Big
Yo,
Fan?
Cavino, you are the man. That Caboose song is phenomenal.
Thank you, bro.
Alright, I'm saying if you get held up, someone wants to take your iPhone, you can replace it. Someone wants to take your wallet, you can replace the money. But someone's going to take your life, you can't replace that.
But how do you think you'd react, Big Fan? Do you think you'd like be all cool about it, or you think you might break down and be like, I have a family? Like, do you think you'd be a whimpering, or you think you'd just be you keep your cool?
Nah, I'd keep it cool because you want the robber to keep it cool too, because you don't want him to freak out neither. So
no, what a good test of this is, Cavino, Big Fan, and all you guys. You ever get in not a major car accident, but you ever get in a car accident and everyone's fine, but some people are like, oh man, we got in an accident, this sucks, and there's other people that are like sweating and pacing, they're like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, and you're like, whoa, relax. Like I've been in car accidents where I have kept my cool. But the people are...
I can't believe...
Yeah, and you're thinking to yourself, like, wow, this is the person that would not react well if something really bad happened. Like, this sounds tragic also, but you ever lose a family member, like someone falls or has a heart attack or something bad happens, you either keep your composure and you're the one calling 911, or someone else is like, like...
I know, it's terrible.
So, thank you, Big Fan.
You never know... Thank you, Big Fan.
Rich.
Yeah, what's up, man?
Yo, shout out to Dubro Nation. Hey, Rich, I like Ike.
Dude, I like Ike. DudeBroNation.com, CavinoandRich.com. The forums are up running. I'll tell you this. Ike Davis, the future of the Mets, homie.
No doubt.
Santana tonight. The Mets will be back to 500 before you know it.
That was the infamous Big Fan, the number one Rich Davis hater.
Yeah, we're trying to get along. It's I think he doesn't hate me as much because I'm being more angry and real lately. Let's go